This video will show you how to create a task. A task can be used in many different ways, like to assign homework or assess non-digital submissions, like oral presentations or artwork. If you want your students to hand in material digitally, you should use the assignment tool instead. To create a task, go to the plan where you want to create your task and choose Add Resource, and then Task. Give the task a title and a description. In the text editor, you can add images, embed videos, and much more. This task will be about a speech, which I also want to assess. Under Show More Options, you can add documents and set up assessments. By default, students can mark the task as completed. Instead, I'll use the assessment scale, passed or not passed. Then save. Your task is now created and you'll see the list of students. If you want students to see your assessment, choose the setting Make Available to the right. Now you can start assessing students with a comment and the scale you chose under Options before. Tasks can be used for many purposes. You'll find more examples on the support page.